I'm going to be making some Linzer cookies today. I have the raspberry jam and all my ingredients, my sugar, a little bit of cinnamon, and the icing sugar for the top. Salt, half a cup of sugar if you're doing one batch, 1 cup of sugar if you're doing a double batch. So I'm just going to put these on the baking sheet and put it in the oven. I have a lot of dough left. It's a bit dark looking, but it doesn't matter because I like it to be rich and dark. Anyway, so I'm just gonna put these in the oven. Time for the jam and icing sugar. I like to use raspberry jam, and I have the icing sugar here that I'm gonna sift on top. The cookies taste really great because there's some caramel in there, vanilla, and the cinnamon. And I didn't let them get too hard. I mean, they're slightly hard. And I mean, slightly hard, but a little bit soft as well. Ever so slightly. So I'm just going to do the jam in the middle, in the center. And then you spread it around. You spread the jam around a little bit. And of course, the final touch is to add the icing sugar. Now the combination with the almond flour, the cinnamon, the vanilla, and caramel is really amazing. Really amazing. It tastes so nice when you add either mixed essence or caramel to the cookie. It just makes the cookie really nice tasting and not boring or bland. This does not taste boring or bland, especially with the cinnamon. The cinnamon complements the raspberry jam really nicely. So I'm going to do the rest.